Correct. But today is a very, very important day for me. Tumba khushi aitu. I'm so full of happiness seeing every single one here, and Ganesh sir is the reason for it. I don't think anybody else could do what he has done for the film, for all of us, for this happy moment. It is my first Kannada film, but I have never felt like that because Ganesh sir, Prashant sir, Srinivas Raju sir have hand-held me through every single step of making this film. And Dwapara is such a beautiful song. I mean, I love this song, but thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Arjun Janya sir, for the beautiful song that is, booming in Kannada right now. Thank you so much for your love. For the first time, I feel what it must have felt like to be a Kannada actor. Thank you for the wonderful welcome. And very soon, I'm going to speak only in Kannada. Till then, David Pandu, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪ್ರಣಯ ಸಖಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನರ್ನ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಆನ್ 15th of August. Thank you so much.